How to install an ignition switch solenoid back in a 98 Mustang Cobra. Here it is right here. I'm going to take this out of the package. Here it is right here, all put together. I'm going to put some grease on this real quick and I'll get back to you. I'm back. Got a little bit of grease on it. Now I'm going to put it in the car. Gotta grab the key. Hold on a second. Oh no. Gotta put that back in there. Hold on a second, guys. I gotta get this figured out real quick. Alright, I got it. I just had to get this loose so I can get it in there. Now, hold on. It's not going in there. Hold on a second. It's fighting me, dude. Hold on, guys. Alright, it's in there. It's right here. It's all back in there. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Share this video. Thank you and have a great day.